Today on Papa G's World, we're going to be going to beautiful Bessemer City, North Carolina to look at some amazing cars and trucks. Come on, let's go. At the end of this video, there's going to be a little treat for you. So stick around. I would much rather be looking at beautiful cars than doing the hard work, sweating, and cussing that I was doing on that last video. But if you like that kind of stuff, go check it out. Now look at this beautiful flat black Chevy 3100. Love the blue rim. The wood in the bed and the interior are on point. Is that cowhide I see on the door panels? That's a nice touch. Gorgeous 57 Chevy here. This paint color is amazing. It seems to change the tint of it as you move. Interior is immaculate. Are those people walking backwards? Beautiful white paint laid down on this Chevy. Love the rims and the interior. Great truck. Here's an amazing C10 Chevy with all the classic looks. Great two-tone blue and white paint. The chrome and the interior give it the finishing touches. Beautiful truck. Now here's an S10 Chevy that is race ready and looks great too. I absolutely love this beautiful blue Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Whoever put this together spared no expense. Beautiful chrome, beautiful paint, love the interior, beautiful truck all the way around. You won't see me sweating and cussing in this video, but if you like that kind of stuff, and I gotta admit, it's pretty funny, go check out my last video. Love that teal color on this GMC square body. The engine is chromed out to the maximum. The interior is all custom. Great looking truck. Here's another beautiful GMC with a gorgeous engine compartment. Man, look at that chrome. Great patina on the paint. I know I've said it 3 or 4 times, but you have just got to hit that like button. The interior is clean as well. Nice looking truck. Now this white Chevy C10 is a beautiful truck. The engine compartment is done up, accented in a teal color. Nice patina on the paint. I love that look of the old school paint on it. Beautiful rims. It's got it all. And look at that interior. And this is a nice looking, awesome 1965 Ford Rancho. I hadn't seen many of these. With a bed cover, black interior, and a beautiful black paint that is laid so slick and shiny. This is a beautiful purple 1940 Mercury. Look at that. Engine compartment. And this paint is amazing. And the interior is all custom, beautiful gray leather. Amazing vehicle. I know I've said it several times, but if you just hit that thumbs up button, give me a like, that gets YouTube to send my video out to many other people.
Never mind who you thought I was. I'm Rick James, bitch.